runners away in the 80th running of the Gottstein. And Dutton comes away like a shot on the turn, and Dutton, with a commanding lead, has opened up 5 on the field and run for home, and Dutton comes off the turn in front. It's Dutton to lead the way, but closing quickly along the outside. Coastal Kid is now taken over, and there goes Coastal Kid. Dutton fights back bravely. Coastal Kid is bolted. Coastal Kid is bolted midway down the stretch, and Dutton's going to go on and win the Gottstein in an unlikely stretch run. Easy Silence finishing second. Coastal Kid ends up third. Then Naval Escort may have